Orlando home inspector shows shingle roof that needs replacement. Shingle roof replacement can be a large capital expenditure. Postponing roof replacement until serious water damage intrusion occurs is not a wise decision. Here is a roof that is one step away from being a blue tarp special. Loose, non-adhered shingles that are brittle with heavy granule loss will lead to shingle blow-off and roof leaks. Compare the lower shingles versus the top layers where there were prior roof shingle replacement and repairs. Granule loss leads to roof membrane deterioration. Rusty and corroded flashing is another indicator of roof age and need for replacement. Nail pops are roof leaks. Aging roofs can have dozens of nail pops. Call me for home and building inspections and consultations at 407-834-7714.